Welcome to new episode of Prime Cook. If you like our content, please press bell icon, share, and subscribe our channel Prime Cook. In this chapter we will understand about different basic tastes of food. Taste plays primary role in culinary preparation. The taste of food refers to the sensory perception of flavors when we eat or drink. It is a combination of different taste sensations that are experienced on the tongue. The primary tastes include sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami. Here's a brief description of each taste. Sweet. Sweetness is a pleasant taste, typically associated with sugars. It is commonly found in fruits, desserts, and sugary beverages. Sour. Sourness is a taste that is tart or acidic. It is often experienced in citrus fruits like lemons and limes, as well as in vinegar and sour candies. Salty. Saltiness is the taste associated with the presence of salt or sodium chloride. It adds a savory flavor to foods, and can be found in table salt, various snacks, and processed foods. Bitter. Bitterness is a taste that is often described as sharp or unpleasant. It can be found in certain vegetables like kale, Brussels sprouts, and bitter melon, as well as in some beverages like coffee and dark chocolate. Umami. Umami is a savory taste that is often described as meaty or brothy. It adds depth and richness to food and can be found in ingredients such as mushrooms, tomatoes, soy sauce, and aged cheeses. These 5 primary tastes can combine and interact with each other to create a wide range of flavors in different types of food. It's important to note that taste perception can vary among individuals, and cultural influences also play a role in how different tastes are appreciated. Additionally, other factors like aroma, texture, and temperature also contribute to our overall perception of taste.